This container home in São Paulo, Brazil was built using 4 40-foot shipping containers. 1 container was used on the ground floor and 3 on the top floor. The first upper container rests on the lower container in a recessed format, creating a balcony, while the other 2 containers are supported on a concrete structure. The main entrance opens into the entrance lobby, a small quiet relaxation area accented by a floating staircase tailored from wood connecting to the first story of the house. Off the entrance lobby is a guest bathroom. From the entrance lobby is an open-plan kitchen and dining area. The dining is equally elegant with a custom dining table that can seat up to 6 people, ideal for a big family or a group dining. Through the floor-to-ceiling glass doors that connect the dining space to the outdoor deck, light is always present in the house. From the dining area, you step straight into a stunning kitchen. Nothing has been left to chance. The space features high-quality and modern stainless steel appliances, enough under the counter and overhead storage cabinets, a breakfast bar that can seat 4, and excellent quality finishes. A wooden staircase leads to a bright lounge area with a large window that opens to a private porch, integrating the interior of the property with nature. Defined by a floor rug, the lounge area features a cozy couch and a TV for your entertainment. The lounge area is fitted with a small glass window that maximizes natural light, while a mix of recycled materials, including the signature container walls, have been cleverly used to create an industrial chic effect. The upper floor also accommodates the primary bedroom. It is fitted with a luxurious double bed with pillows for a good night rest. It is joined by a luxurious private bathroom. The bathroom features a shower cubicle, a toilet, and a vanity with enough storage cabinets. The other spaces on the upper floor of the house accommodates more intimate rooms. Hardwood floors are used throughout the upper floor, not only to bring a touch of elegance, but also infuse a bit of warmth throughout the house. The interior of the house is painted in light colors to create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows. This helps to kill the claustrophobic feel associated with the constricted shipping container spaces. Thoughtful features have been added to the container house, including beautiful lighting and contemporary fixtures. The container architecture used in this particular house and on the interior of the building preserves the original charm of the shipping containers, bringing out the industrial charm of the house. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which brings out the industrial language of the design. The house is designed with spacious terraces fitted with an alfresco dining area to enhance outdoor seating and dining. The terrace is a perfect spot from which to fully appreciate the stunning views, as also a meeting place providing equally good outdoor atmosphere. What of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you. See you in the next video.